So if you remember the video of me backing this skid steer off the trailer, you'll remember it took quite a bit to get it started. So today we're going to take a look at our fuel supply system and see what's going on there. See if we can't make things turn over a little bit better. So first thing I want to check is our fuel supply. See if our fuel pump is working. And we have one, which is our impulse line, our gas intake line, and then we have the gas that's carbureted and all vaporized going to the cylinders. Then we have our other one, that's our air intake. And oh boy, I don't know if you saw that, but I just took off this impulse line and it just slides on and off way too easy. So I wonder if we're not getting a good enough seal from the vacuum of the engine to actually suck the gas into where it's supposed to be. So even though the gas pump is pumping it, we're not getting a good seal on our impulse. So let's see if we can't fix that up. So if you see this impulse line right there, it goes right into there, and this here just slides right on and off like that. I think that's a little bit too easy. See? So maybe we can readjust this, or we have to cut the pipe a little bit shorter so we can fit it on a lot better. So I just cut the pipe a little bit shorter, moved the clamp up, and now it's can't really slide it off. So now we got a better seal there. We can always check our fuel pump, see if we got a good chute of gas coming up. So I just need to get a flathead screwdriver for that guy. Alright, so I got our flat. I'm just gonna undo the clamp, pull it up. Alright, and see if I can't get it off. Oh boy, we're gonna have to pull really hard on this guy. And it's not coming up. Yeah, this is more tough than I thought it would be. Yeah, we'll give it another good tug. There we go. Alright. So that's off. Alright, now just watch. I'm just gonna turn the key and see if a chute of gas comes up. There it goes. And I think our fuel pump is working quite well. So, no need for that. I'll just slap that back on. Turn that guy back in. And see if just fixing that impulse line makes a big difference. Alright, it's on there tight. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get any sparks happening and stuff moving. So, got the choke out, got a little bit of throttle. Let's turn our fuel pump on. Alright, and see if it starts.